okayenergy was established in 2006 and is located in the beautiful city of Changsha City, Hunan Province, China. As a professional gas generation equipment supplier, we have experienced mechanical and technical support engineers in the field of new energy industry and management personnel. We have reached and developed Chinese's characteristic of industrial oxyhydrogen generators from 100 to 20,000 liters per hour, which successfully applied for flame welding and brazing, flame cutting, heating and sealing, engine carbon cleaning. Our development depends on innovative technology and advanced management system. With over 17 years of company development, we also provided laboratory and hospital water treatment machines since 2020. Now we have 22 series and about 200 product models, which cover oxyhydrogen generator, engine carbon cleaning machine, ampoule quartz sealing machine, ultra-pure pure water machine, medical water machine, etc. Our 1,416 square meters factory and sales office is located in Xinggong International Industrial Park. There are complete 3 production line of power supply, integrated electrolytic cell, filter element, and reverse osmosis membrane production, wire connection and machine assemble, machine testing to provide the superior quality products, and satisfied services for customers. Aiming at providing energy-saving and eco-friendly equipment, we are always to update our technology and develop new products to meet the customer's demand. With professional, reliable product and satisfied service, welcome to join us to get mutual benefit.
Welcome to okayenergy.